Welcome, everyone, to our presentation on financial trading. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of finance and exploring the art of trading. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how the world's most successful traders make millions of dollars in profit? What sets them apart from the rest of us? Well, today, we'll be uncovering the secrets of their success and providing you with practical tips that you can use to become a successful trader yourself. Financial trading is a complex and fascinating field that has been around for centuries. It involves buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, and currencies in order to make a profit. But why is it so important in today's world? The answer is simple. Financial markets are the backbone of the global economy. They allow companies to raise capital, individuals to invest their savings, and governments to manage their finances. Without financial markets, our modern world would not exist as we know it. And at the heart of these markets lies financial trading. Financial trading refers to the buying and selling of financial assets such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. It is a complex process that involves analyzing market trends, identifying potential risks, and making informed decisions based on current economic conditions. In today's world, financial trading plays a crucial role in driving economic growth and development. It provides individuals and businesses with access to capital and allows them to invest in new projects and ventures. Additionally, financial trading helps to ensure that markets remain efficient and competitive, which ultimately benefits consumers and society as a whole. Financial trading is often seen as a science, with its reliance on data analysis and mathematical models. However, successful traders know that there is also an element of art to it. Like a painter or musician, a trader must have a deep understanding of their craft and be able to make intuitive decisions based on their experience and knowledge. This artistry comes into play in many aspects of trading, from identifying patterns in market behavior to knowing when to cut losses and exit a position. It requires a keen eye for detail and the ability to read between the lines, as well as the discipline to stick to a strategy even in the face of uncertainty. In short, financial trading is both a science and an art, and mastering both is the key to success. Ian Murphy's book Way of the Trader is an insightful guide to the art of financial trading. In this book, Murphy emphasizes the importance of discipline, risk management, and emotional control in successful trading. He also stresses the need for traders to develop a deep understanding of market psychology and to constantly adapt to changing conditions. One of the key takeaways from Way of the Trader is the idea that successful trading requires a combination of both technical analysis and fundamental analysis. While technical analysis involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends, fundamental analysis involves analyzing economic and financial data to determine the true value of an asset. Murphy argues that traders who can effectively combine these two approaches are more likely to succeed in the long run. One of the most important tips for successful financial trading is to manage your risks. This means being aware of the potential risks involved in any trade and taking steps to minimize those risks. For example, you might set stop-loss orders to automatically sell a stock if it drops below a certain price, or you might diversify your portfolio to spread out your risk across multiple investments. Another key tip is to stay disciplined. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading and make impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than logic. To avoid this, it's important to have a clear trading plan and stick to it, even when things don't go as expected. This might involve setting specific entry and exit points for each trade, or using technical analysis tools to help identify trends and patterns in the market. In conclusion, we have explored the fascinating world of financial trading and its importance in today's society. We have learned that financial trading is not just about numbers and data, but also requires a certain level of artistry and intuition. We have discussed the key themes and takeaways from Ian Murphy's book Way of the Trader, and provided practical tips for successful trading such as risk management and discipline. As you leave this presentation, I encourage you to continue learning about financial trading and honing your skills. Whether you are an experienced trader or just starting out, there is always room for improvement and growth. Remember to stay disciplined, manage your risks, and trust your instincts. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the art of financial trading. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.